Welcome to sunny Singapore. My name is Paul Gagnon, and this is
Priman. We'll be your workshop facilitators, and we're meeting you in person soon.
Yes, and the reason that we're sitting here in front of this iPad doing this recording is to show you how easy it is to simply get together and develop a short 3-minute, 2-minute intro to your resources to promote engagement with the material. You might want to reference prior knowledge or prior experience.
Or just contextualize the readings that you have, for instance, point out what may be important things you need to pay attention to and what perhaps would be things just for interest.
So once that's all done, you would then simply save it. And if you're on the iPad and you're connected to YouTube, you just upload it to your YouTube site, and then you can take that code in YouTube and put it into the LAM's activity tool called Notice Board, so that when they launch the LAM sequence the first time, they will see this video introduction.
As you progress through this LAM sequence, you'll see a few other resources. So we're going to model what we're saying, and we're going to introduce these resources now.
Yes. So the first resource will be a short introductory video that has been done on the TBL process here at Lee Kong Chian School of Medicine. And the second video will be a LAM's authoring video that I created a few years ago. I mean, it's somewhat dated, but it still gives you the basics around how to think about crafting your own learning sequence.
Thirdly, there'll be some links to the LAM's International collaborative site, specific links which we'd like you to go through to understand some of the tools we'll be discussing and working with during the actual workshop.
And just a quick note about the tools: they are not voice-over. They are they're animations, but basically driven by text. So you just have to watch. It'll say, step 1, do this, step 2, but it's no voice. Okay.
All right.
Now, we will be building on the specific resources that we've presented to you when you come to Dallas-Fort Worth, and we will model then the IRA, TIRA, specifically the Scratchy, and the application exercises. And after that, we're going to spend some time
actually building a working TBL LAM sequence.
and remembering that we only have 90 minutes,
Yeah.
so this will be an action-packed, power-driven experience. We will be joined in Dallas by one of the LAM's representatives from the technical guru, and the person who is going to make available to you the site that we're going to use for the conference. And you've already been in because you've launched the sequence.
So congratulations. I think more details in the email we've sent out. We'll give you some time to play around with LAMs. Don't worry, I don't think you'll break anything.
Yes, you can just go in, and I think what we will assign a sandbox. And the sandbox might have your name, and then you can go in there and then you can author. So don't worry, you won't break anything. Play around so that when you come to the session, we can begin to actually, in the groups, craft sequences that are specific to your needs. So I think that's probably about it. This should not be any more than 3 minutes. I don't know, we'll have to check and see. We look forward to seeing you in Dallas-Fort Worth. Any questions? Email us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
We look forward to meeting you.
Bye-bye.